Part two, it's no secret. So, as I was saying before in part one, the entities that linger on them and around them are there because they refuse to disconnect from others who drag them down energetically, keeping them stuck and trapped in a low vibrational frequency. Only they can free themselves from the web of toxicity that engulfs them. Do not stay stuck with them. So this is indicating to me that there's someone that you could be around, or a couple of people that you can be around that on a that are on a certain frequency, right? And you're noticing that the behavior is very erratic and very strange in some cases. You're noticing toxic patterns. You're noticing that you feel a little bit off whenever you are around them, or things are quite stagnated. It's like a jump start. I can't explain it. It's like things could be flowing and then it's halted. Things could be flowing, then it's halted. That is the energy that they carry within them. There's a sense of you know, this rest. There's a sense of unease. There's a sense of unsureness with this individual or these people. There's a sense of not feeling at peace with oneself, you know, and this can then transpire over into your life. This same energy, the same vibration that they're carrying. It's a vibration of unpredictability. It's a vibration of erraticness. It's a vibration of scatteredness. And I'm not saying that we're never scattered and we're never, you know, feeling off, but this is an energy that is ongoing. This is not something that happens once in a blue moon, because I'm picking up for my feminines. um it could be tied in with the moon cycles, with the time of the month. This is not that type of energy. This is a type of energy that is every single day. And there could be a person or people that are around you that displays these certain traits, and they definitely got attachments on them that they're refusing to, you know, take a look at, because they're in the energy of go, 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 go. It's like they're trying to run away from the energies that are either chasing them or that are actually attached to them. And what they do is they spread this energy around due to the fact that they're trying to escape the energies that they need to rid of. And how they need to rid of these energies is to purge. And that can be done by facing these energies, unpacking where these energies are coming from. So maybe they are around people that are very toxic, low vibrational, looking at their patterns, unpacking their patterns, and healing. But they are refusing to look at whatever's going on, and it's detrimental for all who are around this individual. This is a type of energy that can just switch on you for no reason, you know. And Spirit's saying you need to remove yourself from this person because they can have a huge effect on your growth, on your well-being, your emotional, your spiritual, your mental, financial well-being. They are very confused. They are stuck as well. And this stuck and stagnant energy will affect you. So you are called to release this person. If you yourself are in this energy, you're called to take a look at, to stand still, not try and run away from this energy, and release it. Journal your thoughts, speak to a trusted friend, family member, counselor, heal, spend time in solitude, go into hermit mode, reflect, recenter, regroup, right? But I feel more so it's the energy that is around you, and Spirit is calling forth for you to break away, break free. Okay? You've got them. You got them. You got to let them go. You're afraid to step into the new, but staying stuck. I feel like it's tied into the last message, in the old cycle with them, will continue to lead you towards misery, boredom, possible depression that could affect your health. So this individual is very detrimental. So you are called, Spirit is calling forth for you to cut them free and let them go, because staying around these people, this energy will, lead to a lot of upheaval in your life. They knew they were no good for you. That is why the situation crumbled. They thought that they had changed. They thought that they had, if they stayed around you long enough, their mask would slip. So there's someone here that switched up on you prematurely. They thought that if they stayed around you, their mask will slip. They will reveal who they truly are. I know it hurts, but in time you will see their absence as a blessing, because if you carried them forward with you, they would have blocked your blessings. So yeah, there's something around you knowing deep within that someone is no good for you, knowing that someone has to go because a situation may have crumbled, or someone's done something recently and they switched up on you because they couldn't hold on to that facade any longer. So their mask slipped prematurely, but Spirit is saying it wasn't prematurely. It had to slip now, because had you stayed around this person any longer, something worse would have happened. So for some of you, this is present tense. For some of you, it's past tense. This thing happened past, in the past, this toxic energy that was around you, this toxic group, this toxic person. But Spirit is saying it's not an accident. Like, you were supposed to see that this person was no good, because had they have stayed longer, things would have been much worse. I am proud of you. Well done. That's from me to you. That is from Spirit to you. You've done so well. So I am proud of you. Spirit is proud of you. Keep doing what you're doing. You are doing well. Okay. Some of you are not where you want to be, but you're going to get there. However, I'm still proud of you. Okay. You will step into a new cycle of renewed strength, great health, clarity, and more creative ideas. So if those of you were doubting about if you're going to go into a new cycle of positivity, this is your confirmation. I know it may not seem like that now, right? But trust me, you will see brighter days. Do not betray yourself for short-term gratification, because when you look into the mirror, you want to be able to know that you stay true to yourself to get what you have or what you deserve. So try and always evolve and be better. Try and do things that you know you're going to be proud of, so that you don't have to feel embarrassed to look into the mirror and say, you know what, I had to cut a few corners to get to that. Do things that you know are going to make you proud. Don't do things underhandedly, because you won't be able to face yourself in the mirror. You won't be able to lie to yourself. You can lie to other people, but you're still going to have to face yourself, and that's going to be uncomfortable. It's all part of growth, but stay true to yourself. Do things that you know you are going to be proud of, because when it's all said and done and everyone's gone, you're going to have to face yourself and your decisions, right? We're all human beings. We all learn. None of us are perfect. But it's just a reminder. People feel drawn to you and they want to tell you their secrets. So you may get a lot of people confiding in you. And it goes back to the first channeled message, which was you are hypnotic. People feel that you are very trusting. People see that you are the embodiment of love. People see that you hold a lot of wisdom. Okay, if you get a lot of people telling you their problems, etc., it's because you have a sacred soul. You have the soul of a sage, is what I'm hearing. They see your light and magic and your brilliance too. They just kept putting you down as a tactic for you not to see your magic. So if you get people trying to, put you down, side-eye you, people that downplay your skills and talents, it's coming from somewhere, in it. It's coming from envy. They want you to doubt yourself because they feel threatened by you.